What's up, everyone? We meet once again on my channel, and I hope you stick around for another beauty session with me today. It's going to be all about how a queen can take care of her crowning glory for longer and thicker hair. There are so many causes of hair loss, but the most important thing is to do your best to strengthen and nourish your hair. That's why today I'm going to share with you some hacks to get longer and thicker hair. Hack 1. Mix vitamin E and flaxseed gel for hair growth. Step 1. Pour 1/4 cup flaxseed and 2½ cups of water into a pan. Step 2. Wait for it to boil for 7 to 10 minutes while stirring. Flax seeds are rich in vitamin E, and we all know that vitamin E is an essential ingredient for healthier hair. This boosts the circulation in the head, which promotes hair growth and slows down hair damage. So keep stirring until it produces a gel-like texture. Step 3. Drain the seeds and get the gel produced. Step 4. Mix 4 teaspoons and 3 vitamin E gel capsules. Step 5. Using a tissue or your fingers, massage onto the scalp for 5 minutes. Step 6. Let it stay for 30 minutes. Step 7. Rinse with mild shampoo. Hack number 2. Rice water to boost hair growth. Step 1. Rinse 2 tablespoons of rice with water to wash off the dirt. The best thing about rice water is that it can nourish your strands, boost growth, make it shinier, and it can even remove dandruff. Step 2. Soak the rinsed rice in 2 cups of water for 30 to 45 minutes. Wait till you get a cloudy texture. Step 3. Drain the water. Step 4. Transfer it to a spray bottle. Step 5. Spray onto your scalp and leave for 30 minutes. Then you can wash it off with shampoo after. Hack number 3. DIY almond-infused oil for hair damage. Step 1. Slice a few pieces of almond nuts into small pieces. Step 2. Heat the slices of almond nuts with a few teaspoons of coconut oil in a pan. Step 3. Keep on stirring until almond nuts turn to a light brown. Step 4. After letting it cool, strain the oil into a small jar. Step 5. Massage onto the scalp. This almond oil is so rich for blood circulation, so it really protects your hair from hair damage, split ends, and many more. Your hair is in good hands with almond oil. It's really your guardian angel. So that's our beauty session for today. I hope you enjoyed with me, and most importantly, I hope you'll try any of these because these are the hair hacks that I've tried throughout the years, and I really trust these hacks. Like I always say, we only have one crowning glory in this lifetime, and we should really take care of it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Love you guys.